पुकारता चला तुम्हें सुनो किसी ओ हंसनी, मेरी हंसनी कहाँ उड़ चली, मेरे अरमानों के पंख लगा के कहाँ उड़ चली। ओ हंसनी मेरी हंसनी कहाँ उड़ चली, मेरे अरमानों के पंख लगा के कहाँ उड़ चली। आजा मेरी सांसों में महक रहा है तेरा गजरा, आजा मेरी सांसों में रंग रहा है तेरा गजरा। ओ आजा मेरी रातों में लहक रहा है तेरा गजरा, ओ आजा मेरी रातों में लहक रहा है तेरा गजरा। देर से लहरों में कमल संभले हुआ मन का, जीवन ताल में भटक रहा है तेरा हंसा। ओ देर से लहरों में कमल संभले हुआ मन का, ओ जीवन ताल में भटक रहा है तेरा हंसा। ओ हंसनी मेरी हंसनी फट गया भरम दसाया, अब समझा मैं, अब आया ख्वाब में तुमको अक्सर देखा, ख्वाब में तुमको अक्सर देखा, आज नाज़िम सब नहीं पाया। दीवानी नाम से पूछो, प्यार से देखो, नाम से पूछो, क्या है फिर न मिलना, अच्छा है फिर न मिलना। ये पेरिस की शाम सुहानी, प्यार की नगरी धूप की रानी, बन के रहेगा कोई अफसाना, बन के रहेगा कोई अफसाना, चेंज रहेगी कोई कहानी। दीवाना नाम तो पूछो, प्यार से देखो, काम तो पूछो, चाहे फिर न मिलना, अरे चाहे फिर न मिलना। दीवाने का नाम तो पूछो, प्यार से देखो, काम तो पूछो, चाहे फिर न मिलना, अच्छा चाहे फिर न मिलना। Thank you very much.
Maturi Rangarao, Vishwas Samar, Pawan Narendra, and Viswas Vijay, amateur extra class.
Please come to the stage to receive your results.
Candidates, if present, please come on the stage to receive your results. Thank you.
VEs, please come on to the dais. ARRL VEs, please.
You take the center stage. So just KJ4 VMC Ganesh. KJ4 VMC Ganesh, please come on to the dais. Let's announce. Mr. Chenat Tajuddin, technician class. Next, Maturi Rangarao garu. Next, Aditya Mondal, technician class. Vishwas Samar,
technician class. Next, Pawar Narendra, technician class. And finally, man of the day, Biswas Vijay. He scored 34 out of 35 in technician class and 34 out of 35 in general class and 45 out of 50 in extra class, and he became one day extra. Give a big clap. Really, we have pleased someone. This is the spirit actually. Some guys just popped into the exam hall and, oh Suresh, just let me in and I will take the exam. They even don't know what actually the exam is. But he prepared very hardly for last 6 months and he given very good score.
That's like getting in restricted and a general class all in one day. That's a very big achievement. Congratulations.
I am Bijoy. I am currently qualifying U3 WBG. I just heard the message from one of my friends that FCC exam is happening in Kolkata, and I did not miss the opportunity. Work hard and got it one day extra. I do nothing. I can say I am a student.
Getting stage fright.
Yeah, now Narendra will speak to you.
Yeah, I want to thank Arif Bhai especially. He has taken lot of efforts to make this event happen, and because of him I got this license also. Actually, I gave the flash test, means I wasn't prepared, I wasn't knowing about this. The test was flash and I got it, and all because of Arif Bhai. Please give him a big hand to arrange this event. Even he has come help. He has stood and made this event great. Thank you.
Santosh. Okay, now we have our friend Kumarji who will sing us a few songs for us. He is not a professional singer, but he has come all the way from Rome, Italy to sing for us, to attend this event. In fact, there are two people who has come from Rome, Italy to attend this event. One of them is VU3 United Eco United Adnan. Does the travel agency business in Italy, but to attend Hamfest is come. And the other gentleman is Mr. Kumar is here, who has done many short films in Italy, and he is a singer also. So without any further delay, I will give him the mic so that he can start his entertainment for us. Thank you.
Are you Bengali? Good. শেষে যারা যাবার তারা কখন গেছে ঘর মানে পারে, যারা যাবার গেছে পারে, ঘরেও নহে পারেও নহে, যে জন আছে মাঝখানে সন্ধ্যাবেলা কে ডেকে
results. It's coming, okay. Hindi song maybe, huh? Till Jayji comes. Hindi song. Oh, please come to the stage, sir.
Good evening to everybody. It's really pleasure to see all of you, even in spite of most of the people have gone, most of the hands have gone rather. And I was given the responsibility for the election as a returning officer for the next ham test where it should be done. Fairly speaking, that every event or every ham fest, we get some lessons. Every time, of course, we know what is to be done in the next time and what was went wrong. So that's a really a simple circle of the life or the event. And every time we want to improve each and every event better than the last one. This event has also to the same place, and so many things. Actually, Arif Bhai has tried a lot since long. Of course, he was working so hard. Even then, of course, some of the things might have gone wrong also, and some of the people are not even they have gone disappointed. But I should say that we have to adjust each and every point. Wherever anybody goes wrong, we have to adjust it. That is what actually my motto. I am always thinking on the positive way. I don't want to go for the negative side of the anything, because negatives are always there, and if anything happens, there are many people who can actually comment on those points. Even if something is going quite well, even there are comments. But of course, we have to agree that we are going and we are doing quite well. As far as the election is concerned, there were three candidates, three contestants. One was from Bangalore, IIH, or Shankar Satyapal. Another one was from Hyderabad, Urban Ashar Farhan. And the third one was from Patna, with Mr. Rajendra Sinha ji. And I should say that it was really a great thing that Patna, a place like Patna, have contested in this event. They actually have shown their eagerness to host the next ham fest. Many things are there, and IIH or Shankar Satyapal, since they are completing 25 years, most of the hams were actually more inclined towards Bangalore also. Being a returning officer, I was to be neutral. I should not say anything about anybody, but everybody was quite encouraged, and we are also happy that we are trying to give the chances to most of the cities where never ham fest has been held. The voting was done quite fairly in front of everybody. It was announced many times that you should come and vote here. And during the voting, it was closed also. And it was also announced that now the voting have been closed and nobody can vote it. Even after closing, 2 or 3 people also have come for voting and we have denied them. After the voting, in front of all the 3 contestants, we have opened the ballot boxes. All the video recording has also been taken. So more and more transparency has been maintained there. nobody should have any objection. After opening the ballot boxes and the papers were counted, we found that Patna contestants got 48 votes, Hyderabad contestants it's really encouraging for them also that at least 48 votes were there, and they were quite actually interested. Even they said that even we are losing this contest, but even then of course we will support Bangalore or anybody who else is winning the contest. Hyderabad have received 60. And Bangalore, who is going to host the next Hempfest, is 170. Of course, congratulations to Bangalore boys, and a special leader of the Bangalore is Shankar Satyapal, who is all the time leader, of course, there. And I always tell everybody that see what the people are doing in Bangalore and what we people are doing here. Because we are learning every time. We are getting many things from them, and we also wanted to know how the things can be more better in our places than whatever these people are doing in the south, Bangalore and the other places. There were few invalid votes also. Total invalid votes were 6. So that way, Bangalore has got the Hempfest next year, and I congratulate them. I also congratulate everybody who voted, because this time the voting was very big number, and we had a little bit tough time also in between, but we did it anyway, whatever the best is possible, and hope so that everybody is satisfied also. Thanks a lot to everybody, and even to Arif for taking lots and lots of pain. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, Jayji. I will not call the Bangalore convener now, because usually the protocol is to hand over the hammer which is there after the valedictory, after the vote of thanks. So please wait. Probably we have a few more songs, and then we want to give the mementos to the people who have made this event success, especially the people like our carpenter who has made the memento like a mobile, and our drivers and peons. So we will have a few songs, 1 or 2 songs, then we will distribute the memento. Then I will ask Jayuji to close the session with our chief guest on stage. So I will call you, sir, after some time. So enjoy a few songs, 1 or 2 songs, and you 3 RTY. My daughter will also be singing 1 song for you all. So please, I request you to please bear with us for a few minutes, and we will be closing the session after that. Now I request one of the Assembly of Forces school student to hand over bouquet to sir for being the returning officer for the results, and one of you kindly hand over a memento to Jayuji. Okay, hand over a memento also to Jayuji. Jayuji, this is a copy of your memento. Okay, but this is fully made in house. He did not give this work to anyone. It was fully made in house with our own carpenter and own people who work made it. Okay, sir. Thank you so much, sir. I finish the program of, I request our chief guest, Shri Ajay Gupta, to please come over to the dais, and Jaiju also to please come over to the dais. Jaiju is there. So we'll give the vote of thanks at the end of the program. But now, because some people will miss their flight from Hyderabad, so from Bangalore, so I would ask the winner of the next Hamfest to come over and take away the hammer from our chief guest, Shri Ajay Gupta. Please come. Sir.
Good evening to all of you. This is, my name is Satyapal, All Sainik PTR 5. This is not the time for long speeches. First of all, let me thank Hamfest India 2017 for conducting this particular Hamfest in Calcutta, inviting all of us. And this particular Hamfest 2018, as endorsed by the returning officer, Jayantu JAU, it will be in the Silicon City of Bangalore City. The idea of taking this particular event to Bangalore City is the third time we are hosting. First it was in 1999. 2007, then now 2018 will be in Bangalore. The organizers' bidding was done on the banner of Indian Institute of Hands. The idea of taking this particular Hamfest to Bangalore is, IA started in 1993, we are completing 25 years in 2018, producing more than 10,000 amateur review operators in India. In fact, I want to share this. India, if you take the world population, India was last. Because of the active promotions from all the clubs in India, it has risen from Argentina, one step above in the world population. Now my interest in the end of 2018 is, or in the coming years, very soon, couple of years, it should reach the 5th position, if not in the 1st position. India should be in the 5th, at least 5th position in the world population. So, Indian Institute of HAMS is the premier institute in the country, doing systematic training program, and every year we are producing 400 to 500 HAMS from Bangalore city and all over Karnataka. So we are hosting this. The co-sponsors are Reva University, which is one of the great and notable university in the country. I think our professor has come from Reva University. I'll call upon him. Yeah, he's here. Come in this side, sir. Now this particular Reva University, we are promoting the HAM activity in this particular university from past 2 years. Even the Dr. Venkata Shiva Reddy, EU3 UFF, is one of the students of Indian Institute of HAMS. When I contacted the Vice Chancellor that this is our idea to celebrate Silver Jubilee, then Vice Chancellor said, thank you very much for choosing Reva University to conduct the National Festival of HAMS. So they have given all the support. Even just few minutes back I have spoken to Vice Chancellor. He said it will be wonderful and everything will be in one house, one block. You need not run everywhere. Ground floor open theatre, first floor exhibition, second floor exhibition, come good high-tech hall, conference hall. Then there are cellar 2-3 conference hall also. The date of the HAMFest will be 29th and 30th of December. It is already notified. Now, this particular HAMFest will start at 16 hours on Saturday and Sunday. 4 o'clock in the evening, not in the morning. 4 o'clock in the evening. Next day, 4 o'clock in the evening, it will get over. It will not get over at 5 o'clock. 4 means 4, it will get over. Starting 4 o'clock, whether VIP comes or not, it will start. It's all time to time, minute to minute program, and everything will be in the house. Your hostel, accommodation, everything will be in the house. You need not go out of the gate at all. 4 to 4 is 24 hours, it is non-stop program. All your awards will be, you will not waste the time in the daytime, everything will be given after the dinner. All volunteers, recognition will be done in the overnight. Up to 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock. Early morning, 6 o'clock, 8 o'clock, we will have the fox set, walking fox set. You can bring your walkie-talkie or we will provide directional antennas, we will make the team. So everything we will try to recognize, do this HAMFest wonderfully. And we will see that each and every delegate who comes will go happily out of the Reva University and Bangalore. And we will take the responsibility, it's not Indian Institute of HAMS, it is the Bangalore HAMS will do that. Even we have Bangalore Amateur Radio Club, which is 60 years old club in Bangalore. Most of the solvers will be involved. And this is the first Bangalore city who has put up the radio repeater in India. We have 4 repeaters in Bangalore. So all this, I think, most of the things I want to talk, the time is not there. Most of us want to go for the flights. So once again, I thank you very much for all the people, especially Patna. Oh my God, I was surprised to see 48 supporters. I think you can plan for next year. You can plan it in a befitting way and you can definitely host for 2019. Good. And I congratulate those who have not voted for Bangalore. Because it's a mandate. You have right to choose your choice, city. You have voted. You have not voted, no problem. You are my guest. You are my well-wisher. Please come to Bangalore. I do namaskara for everybody. Thank you. Yeah, somebody, if you are interested to give the name, you can please give the name. Minimum will be 500 rupees till the delegation fee is not fixed. Minimum 500 rupees, we will take the name, your call sign and your phone number. I request our UFF to talk on behalf of Reva University. Let him welcome from his office.
Good evening to all. It's a pleasure and I feel extremely happy to be here to invite you all on behalf of Indian Institute of HAMS and Reva University, Bangalore. I wholeheartedly welcome you all to 2018 December 29th and 30th HAMFest. I would like to see you there and I can tell you with full confidence that we will give the best of hospitality. Thank you.
Okay, last but not least, let me welcome the Calcutta HAMS, Arif and everybody for the Bangalore HAMFest. Please, it is my personal invitation. I'll try to come to all the places if possible. Patna I have invited. If possible, time permits, I will come to your city to invite you. If at all, if I miss, my hearty wishes, invitation to each one of you in India and abroad. Thank you, sir.
Once again, sir, we want to congratulate you from Calcutta, all the hands of Calcutta, and we want to give you a small memento and one bouquet, please. With the memento, please. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you. Now we are waiting for Shivani Benji. She's on her way. I think within 2-3 minutes she will be here, and she will be releasing a stamp. And till that time, I will ask Kumarjit to please continue the show. Kumarjit, please continue the show. One more song required from your side. तो बच्चे के गाना शिरोली के लिए आवा
হৃদয়ে সব কবিতা ঝরে পড়ে ছন্দ তারি চিরদিন তুমি যে আমার যুগে যুগে আমি তোমারি আমি আছি সেই যে তোমার তুমি আছো সেই আমারি জানো জানো জানে জানা জানো Thank you. Hey, hey, मेरा चाँद तुझे आया है नजर मेरा चाँद तुझे आया है नजर रात जरा थम थम के गुजर रात जरा थम थम के गुजर छाया है नशा मेरी आंखों पर छाया है नशा मेरी आंखों पर रात जरा थम थम के गुजर रात जरा थम थम के गुजर मेरा चाँद तुझे आया है नजर थम थम के गुजर मेरा चांद मुझे आया है नजर मेरा चांद मुझे आया है नजर रात जरा थम थम के गुजर रात जरा थम थम के गुजर मेरा चांद मुझे आया है नजर आया है नजर आया है नजर थैंक यू
The bus is ready, so any gentleman who wants to go can go now. Bus is ready at the place for Howrah station. Bus for Howrah station. Yes. Okay, please. The people who want to have a snap on the stage, please come over. AP and Telangana. That's the request.
I request all the Telugu speaking people to come on the dais to have a snap.
Sunil, please come.
The lucky draw regarding ICOM IC 7300, the collection is only up to 26,000. So if any one of you are interested in putting more money, then we can continue with the lucky draw. Otherwise, the money would be refunded. The money will be refunded. Okay, fine.
We had a total collection of 26,000. Okay, but we asked our president before that what should we do? Should we put in the balance of the money? But we do not have so much funds to put the balance of the money. We tried our best. But as we could not get all the participants, we will refund the money. We will refund all the money to the same account from where you had paid. I request the ARCCS team and the Bengal Amateur Radio team to be ready for the next program. Dibokda, আপনি প্লিজ বাকি টিমকে ডেকে দেবেন কল করে আমরা ফটোগ্রাফ করে তারপরে মোটামুটি প্রোগ্রামটা শেষ করতে হবে। Ali Asalaku, are you there?
Yes, now everyone is.
Okay. May I call the SIU? Anyone there who can call U3 SIU? So I will hand over the prize for the best logo design competition to him on behalf of Ali Ashraf, who won the prize. And he has sent an email to hand over the logo prize to U3 SIU. Because this is a telecommunication equipment which we are handling, we need U3 SIU to agree also to receive it.
I request all the volunteers, team members regarding this Hamfest organized 2017. AICCS and BAS team members come on the stage. We'll do a joint photograph. Where is Adutta? Where is V2AES?
This memento crafted by the person who is doing this. His name is Sadiq Carpenter. He is a ARCC's employee and he has done this. Thank you.